Welcome to Spandy Way. In this video, we will see how to cook chicken pakodi. Pakora, also called pakoda, pakodi, fritter, fakura, bhajia, bhaji, bhaji or ponako, is a fried snack originating from South Asia. It is a popular snack across the Indian subcontinent. We will see this dish in 3 steps. Step 1. Crush. In mortar and pestle, add chopped onions and crush them. Now add garlic and crush. Add ginger and crush it to a paste. Step 2. Mix. Take a bowl, add besan, rice flour, salt, chili powder, turmeric and garam masala. Mix it and adjust the spices accordingly by tasting it. Now add green chilies, crushed onions, ginger and garlic paste. Mix it. Add curry leaves, chicken strips or cubes of 1 by 3/4 inch and egg white. Mix them well with hand and make thick paste. Sprinkle water if required. Batter should be thick and not runny. Step 3. Fry. For deep fry, heat oil in kadai at high flame. Test by dropping small batter drop. If the drop rises, reduce the flame between medium to low. Now drop chicken strips one by one by not overcrowding it. Stir and fry chicken pakodi until golden brown and crisp. Remove to a colander. Fry the rest of the chicken pakodi in batches. Chicken pakodi is the best tea time snack and it tastes good with ketchup or green chutney. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to Spandy Way for more videos.